everyone, it's Hazel's Emporium. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my Prime. And please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video like this. Thank you. Everyone, I know it is in my title. Yes, this is a Zoyebags that are you company, another replica store online. Okay, so they give this product to me for free in exchange to my video, which is I will be doing an unboxing, a review of my own personal opinion, and I will definitely do a try on in this. Prior to that, this is a very quick information about this company, Zoyebags that are you. As I've said, this is another replica online store into market. They do have a lot of replica luxury products such as bags, shoes, and stuff like that. So this is just an insight to you guys, to your reference. These are their products, and I will put all the link and information below in this company, so please go check down below. And I have a coupon which is 15% off. Not bad, as we all know inflation is here. We all need a coupon. We all need this a little bit of discount. Save dime, centavo, peso. That's all matter, right? So you can use my coupon Hazel 15% off. It's not bad, right? We all need this kind of savings. Let's jump into the unboxing of this, right? Please see me more in my unboxing. And I have this here, my choice of bags. I really am excited seeing this. And please, prior to that, please careful when using sharp object, okay? Ta-da! Okay, Louis Vuitton. Pretty, hey? Oh my god. Let's have this. Have the information here. So this is 16,800 Hong Kong dollar. All right, I have the receipt and this. Okay, close that back. Oh, look at this. All right. I am so excited of this. Wow. Oh, I love this. Let's open up this. Oh, hear that? Zippers mold so perfectly. Take this off. I have here the sling handle on top of this. Okay. Oh, I have here like a gamosa inside with a small pocket inside. Okay, so let's check. So zipper handle has Louis Vuitton logo, and this nails kind of here has a Louis Vuitton logo too, and so this here. Oh, hear that? Zipper is molded so perfectly and smells so good, guys. Take a look here. Okay, this and this one. Let's remove this. So let's check all the details of the stitches. Oh, the material, guys, is hard material. Yeah, the leather. I don't see any out of line stitches. There is a Louis Vuitton logo here. Looks like all the stitches are in the right place. So yeah, very cute. Oh goodness, this is so gorgeous. Another beautiful one. So what do you think of this? Another gorgeous, no? Gorgeous one, right? Cute. Looks very classy though. I love it. Thank you so much, Zoyebags. That are you for this. I do love it. Out of 10, I will give this 9.9. I like it. Thank you so much. Looks very classy. We can use this in the party. We can use this also going to the office, to everywhere. This is just gorgeous. I love it so much. I can't really wait to try this on outdoor. Yes. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in my try on.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat. It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud, it's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud.